Hi guys! Hi guys! Today we're showing you my real squishy collection. So, go Macy!
Okay, first, Vanessa made...
I didn't make it.
Okay.
I tortured it.
Tortured this squishy. Not
It's a
loading.
panda bun.
It was a panda bun, but now look at the mysterious, sad panda. It's not really a panda, it's dead. And very squishy. Back to Vanessa.
My first one is this one. And it's just this bun because it was a hot dog in it. And it's much really bigger than I thought it would be because that's how big it is. And yeah, it's just a bun now. Which, yeah, because when the hot dog plastic thing was in there, because it was plastic, and you squished it like that, it would like want to come out. So yeah, so the bun was the only squishy part. And as you can see, these sesame seeds fall up real easily. So yeah, back on to Macy. So I recommend not buying this. No. No. What is
Next, I got this Relakuma cake roll. Something. It is very cute with the design.
It's
Super textured. Smells like sweet bread. And very squishy.
I forgot to tell you that this one smells like sweet bread too. The bun. So yeah. And this panda bun smells like sweet bread too. The next one that I'm sharing is this one. I got it from Daiso. You can get it at the mall. Or yeah, it's like a bear or relic. I don't really know, but yeah, the ear is ripping off and all that. There's defects on the back and all that. And yeah, it's not as squishy, but it's pretty squishy and it's super soft. And it kind of like feels like kind of like a plasticky material kind of. So yeah, back on to Macy.
Next I have this squeezing her eyes, opening her mouth roll thing from Daiso. Yeah, Daiso. Very squishy, textured. Smells like chocolate. Squishy!
So yeah, I forgot to tell you that this one smells like chocolate. The one that I got from Daiso. The next one is this other relic in the cake roll. All the paint got peeled off compared to this one. As you can see, this one got didn't get peeled off, and this one did get peeled off, like all the paint and stuff, as you can see. And I kind of just drawed something on it with paint, if you can see that. They're not squishy. It's just really soft. Like these are like super soft and super squishy and all that. And it's very textured. If you can't see it, but it's super textured. And it's kind of has some cracks in it, as you can see. And it smells like sweet bread. So back on to Macy.
I have another one with no eyes, no mouth.
And it just got peeled off on
it. It just got peeled off on accident. It's very squishy. Very squishy. Smells like chocolate. I wish you could smell it. Smell me. And very textured. Okay. Smell me.
My next one is this one that I got from Claire's. And it's a hamburger. And it lost its googly eyes. And it's defected a lot. But not on the back. The back is less squishy and the top is super squishy. There, it has has some mayonnaise, that white thing, if you can see it. And the lettuce is plasticky, kind of rubbery, and the patty is a squishy. Like all of the parts of this is a squishy, except this bun is squishy, this bottom bun is squishy, and the patty is squishy. So those are the only ones that are squishy. So back onto Macy. Oh, one more thing, that this actually smells like a real hamburger, so it's like pretty awesome. So yeah, it kind of like smells weird, but smells like a real hamburger at the same time. So yeah, back onto him. I mean her.
Okay, I got the next squishy from Daiso, and it smells like chocolate. Quite of it, very squishy textured. Has a cell phone strap that has a hook on it. You can see this, the hook. And yeah, back to Vanessa.
My next favorite one is this one. And I got from Claire's, just like my hamburger. And it was a necklace, same with the hamburger, but I took the chain off. And it's just so cute. As you can see, lost a googly eye. So it's like strawberries, and it's super squishy. As you can see, super squishy. And I like squishing it a lot. And there's like a little air bubble there, if you can't see it. Like right somewhere there, but you might not be able to see it. Wait, where is it? No, I just lost. Oh, found it. It's like right there, as you can see. Super squishy. So back onto Macy.
Hi, hello, I found another squishy.
Where do you feel?
Yeah. It's a donut, same as this one, but this has more decorations, as you can see.
Like this one, they're exactly the same, but I decorated this one and all that, and this one is just less squishier, and this one is more squishier, and this one has real sprinkles on it. So yeah, that comes to me. And my next one, sorry about the background noise, so just ignore that. And my next one is bear. Anyways, it has a ball chain, silver ball chain, as you can see, and it's squishy. It's a little bear, and the back is so squishy. And it has this like pink ceiling right here, and then that's the mirror. I don't want you to see our computer, so here you go. And just wait. So here you go. You can just, or whatever, you can see that part of the wall. That's all I want you to see.
How do you make coffee?
That's here. Anyways, jaw.
How do you make coffee?
And back on Macy.
Okay. I like the one that Vanessa just shared. Sorry about the background. And it has both brown eyes. Smells like chocolate. Very squishy. Has
this one smells like chocolate too.
It has a pink filling and has a mirror in it. And that's it. See ya.
Ooh, back here. My next one is this medium-sized panda bun. It looks like a jumbo. Kind of. Or I don't know what it looks like on camera, but your choice and all that. Super squishy. It's defected quite a bit. The back is so textured. Super textured. If you can see. If you can see. Yeah, and it has this little box, like that rectangle right there, where the licensing is at, but I have no clue what it says. It says something Chinese Japanese symbol or something. And this is super squishy, but it's super soft, so it doesn't come up as slowly. So back onto Macy.
Hello, I found another squishy. Yeah, squishy. It is a basketball thing with blue eyes. It's a kissy nose.
Yeah?
Dude. Don't put milk in here?
No!
Did you put milk in here? Boy. Don't do that. You only put water in here, okay?
Very squishy. And
Daddy, why would I put milk in there?
I don't know. Maybe it was using that to clean it up. Oh, burnt on the bottom now.
okay, now yeah, it's really squishy. Smells like sweet bread. Back to Vanessa.
Hi! Now it's back onto me. My next one is this one. I got from Daiso. It's like chocolate. Because regular self-ins wrap is black. You can take it off, as you can see, because there's like a little hook there. The back is super textured. As you can see, well, quite textured. It's not licensed. But anyways, it's so squishy. That part got peeled off, so just don't mind that, please. I guess this is like a medium-sized kind, or I don't really know, but it just has a super cute face, and yeah. Back onto Macy.
Okay, as you can see, there's an insert up there. Okay, I got this one. It looks homemade, but it isn't. It's cute, and it has basic do, and it has do-do-do. Smells like sweetie bread. Not really textured on the back though. Not really textured. Squishy, like I say, squish. Yeah, I'm back to Vanessa.
Anyways, my next one is this one. This one. And it's defected a little bit. Well, a lot. And the back is too, as you can see. Super textured on the back. And a regular self-ins strap just like the other one. And a big smiley face with this.
Yeah.
Oh, did you hear that? And it's super squishy. Okay, back on to Macy.
Okay.
I'm serious.
Anyway, I found a steamboat thing that has like when you're mad, it can press it thingy, but jigger. Oh crap. It has a cute little face, very squishy. Teddy's right on the back, as you can see.
Is y'all, what's the deal with the mommy asked you to clean that stuff?
Very squishy, textured, and back to the mesa. Oh.
Yummy! Yummy! My next one is this on the bottom. This one. It's a boy. The tongue sticking out. And it's quite defected. Super squishy. Yeah. Boom, boom, pow. Keep on trying my stuff. Ow. Sorry this video is so long, but bye, guys. What?